Hello and welcome to my channel. It's an old wet morning here in Tyrone, but I've got a bit of a tool haul this morning. There's a guy from County Sligo called Kieran Loftus, and I want to thank him. He arrived with all this yesterday to me. Them two Milwaukee pieces in the end, he wants me to fix them. The rest of this stuff he's just given to me out of the goodness of his heart, and I can't believe he went out of his way to come and see me, to give me all this stuff, as well as to give me some material to use my channel. And I just have to say, the guys that watch these videos that I make are some of the best people I've ever talked to. The generosity and kindness and just general all-round decency can't be understated. So a big thanks to you, Kieran Loftus, and to all you guys who subscribe and watch my channel and comment. And keep liking the videos if you think they're good. It helps the channel. Thank you.